Like many verbs in English, the word hang can be modified to mean so many different things. So, in this lesson, we're going to learn how to easily use and modify this verb in many different situations, just like a native English speaker. But first, I know all of you love phrasal verbs, and that's why I have a private class dedicated to studying them in different contexts, just like in my videos. Every week, I post a new PDF and phrasal verb quiz so you can study and test yourself. Come join my channel membership here on YouTube. After you join, you can find the link to the private class in the membership section on my channel. I want you to look at these clothes. Someone probably washed them and put them out to dry. These clothes are hanging. They're hanging on what we call a clothesline. We use the preposition on in this context because they have contact with the line. On generally means contact. But these clothes are also outside. They're enjoying the breeze. We use the word breeze for wind that feels nice. The clothes look like they're relaxing. It looks like fun to hang outside with the warm breeze, doing nothing but enjoying the sun. In this way, we can understand the phrasal verb hang out. Just like the clothes, when we hang out, we do nothing. We enjoy our time. These friends are doing nothing, having fun, enjoying the breeze, just like the clothes. They're hanging out with each other. Remember, we can say hang out with a person, like when you spend time with a friend doing nothing together and relaxing. Who do you like to hang out with? We can also just use the word hang to mean the same thing. The word out is not necessary. For example, I like to hang with my friends, sometimes near our favorite store. And in that context, we can understand the combination hang around. I love to hang around the local mall. We can hang around a place, do nothing, spend time there in that general area. This man is working out. He's exercising. He's pulling himself up on the bar. He's doing pull ups. Just like the clothes, he's hanging on the bar. Don't let go. You could fall from the bar. He's hanging on the bar, but you can also say he's hanging from the bar. From is a word that means the origin, and the origin of his hanging is the bar. He's hanging from the bar. This monkey is hanging on or hanging from the ropes. This monkey is hanging on or hanging from the tree. The verb hold is when something is in your hand and you have it. The word grip means to use the muscles in your hand to hold something. This ride is called a roller coaster. It's a thrill ride because it's thrilling. It's very exciting and makes your heart beat fast. I hope these people feel safe. They have to hold onto the sides to feel safe. They have to hold on to stay on the ride. They're gripping onto the sides, just like the man doing pull ups. They can also hang onto the bar. Don't let go. You could fall off. It's for your safety. And I'm sure they're scared. They might want the ride to end. So now we can understand why hold on or hang on can also mean wait. Hold on, the ride will end soon. Hang on, the ride will end soon. This is a classic telephone, and it's ringing. This person is picking up the phone to answer it. And now she's talking to her friend, but he tells her to hold on or hang on because there's an emergency. Hold onto the phone. Don't let go. Wait for me to return. Hang onto the phone. Wait for me to return. Now, they ended the call. In the past, phones used to hang when they were inactive, when the call finished. Here, we can see that the phone is hanging. No one is using the phone. They hung the phone up to end the call. And that's why we say hang up to end a phone call. What was the phone call about? Let's find out.
Hey, how are you feeling? Last night was pretty crazy. Hey, not so good. I feel like I can't even stand up. Like my legs don't want to move. I have a bad headache, and the lights are hurting my eyes. You drank a lot last night. I did. I guess I'm hungover. Quiz time! What does hungover mean in this context? Be tired after sleeping? Feel sick after drinking? Have a headache from being sick. Hungover means feel sick after drinking.
You can be hungover. For example, I'm hungover this morning. I drank a lot last night. Or you can have a hangover. I have a hangover. I drank a lot last night. Remember, the word over represents the shape of an arc. Some people think that the word hangover originates from British sailors who used to get drunk and sleep hanging over a rope. That looks uncomfortable, right? I'm sure they felt terrible the next morning. Note, this is unconfirmed and possibly not true, but it's a good way to help you remember when speaking English. This week in my private class, we are studying phrasal verbs for the weather. My channel members chose this topic, so we're going to have a quiz about it on Sunday. I made a PDF for them and posted it in my private class. If you join my channel membership here on YouTube, this can be your class too. After you join, you can find the link in the membership section. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, channel members, and see you in the next lesson.